Hi there, Ruth again. This time, not a ROADLOFT video. Well, it's related to the ROADLOFT. It is a video that we're making in terms of putting together a MoonShade. A MoonShade, as you may know, is a great awning that you can add to an RV, a van, camper van, or what, like in our case, we have a minivan. So what the kit comes with, and I'll do the, well, we did unboxing, well actually unpacking, and what this kit entails, I'll show you. Here is the shade. Actually, this is the MoonShade. This is a little bag with hardware. I'll get to that in a bit. This is a so-called strut pole. This one you use if the MoonShade ends up being wider than the vehicle that you're using it on, or the amount of surface that you're using it on. So this is a part that we don't use. The roof line of our town and country is long enough. These two are tension poles. So these two go on top of the MoonShade. So that means you see them kind of bow as an arch to keep it all together and to also give it rigidity. And then these two are support poles. So this grommet and this grommet here, they go on the ground. And then these two, like stickies, this one and this one, they stick into the shade. Then here for the hardware, we have guy lines. We have these anchors. Well, these are the big anchors that are supplied as an additional item, or two additional items. These are the standard anchors. We don't use these because they're not that strong. And then here's more like lines, and then these are the, well, small anchors that we put or we hammer into the ground. So that means they keep the guy lines where they are. So that means that is extra strength and also avoiding, well, the whole thing flying away. So that's as far as the unboxing goes. I'll continue with the whole setup.